Hey everyone, it's Jeff here, and today we're going to talk about sleep. All right. Now the reason we're going to talk about sleep is because guess what? This weekend we fall back, so don't forget to set your clock back an hour before you go to bed Saturday night. However, I want you to get the best quality sleep you can without having to take some kind of prescription drug for it. So with that said, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to dim your lights about an hour before bedtime. The more you can keep it dim prior to going to bed, the more melatonin your body's going to produce, because any light that gets in your eyeballs is going to shut down or decrease melatonin production, and melatonin is what you need for good sleep. All right. Next thing, have a chicken leg before you go to bed. All right? How many of you guys have ever had a big Thanksgiving meal? You know, Thanksgiving's right around the corner. Had a big Thanksgiving meal, and the next thing you know, all you want to do is take a nap. Right? There's a reason for that. There's tryptophan from the chicken or the turkey, and it basically helps you create more melatonin. You're going to hear melatonin a lot in this video. Now, next thing you want to do is you want to stick to a routine, right? You know, me, myself, I go to bed almost every night at 10 o'clock, right? And I have the same routine before I go to bed, right? The more you can stick to that routine, the better off you're going to be. Now, next thing, right? Next thing is sleep in pitch darkness, right? If you're scared of the dark, get over it, right? Because bottom line is you need to sleep as dark as you can. Kill the night light, kill the phones, whatever, get rid of it. The darker the room, the more melatonin your body is going to produce, and the better sleep you're going to get, all right? Now, next thing, right? Drink milk before bed. Now, I have a little thing called golden milk, right? It's called turmeric milk, which is a whole different video. But what I will tell you is milk actually helps produce more, guess what? Melatonin, all right? So, helps you sleep better. Now, next thing, we come over this board. Go to bed early, right? Now, going to bed early is great because Chinese medicine tells us if you can sleep between the hours of 10 and midnight, those 2 hours actually equals 4 hours, right? So with that said, you want to basically get to bed early. 10 to 12 is your best time to sleep. Next thing, and I know some of you guys, it's the weekend, all right? But guess what? You want to avoid alcohol, all right? Because alcohol consumption prior to going to bed shuts down your ability to get into REM sleep, all right? You may feel like you've slept or you're sleepy when you have a drink, but you never get into deep sleep, all right? So, like I said, alcohol, not a good idea if you're having trouble sleeping, all right? Avoid caffeine prior to bedtime, all right? Once again, having a cup of coffee or going to Starbucks before going to bed, not a good idea. Will not let you get sleep. And then, last but not least, as bad as this hurts to say it, all right, you want to avoid exercise 2 to 3 hours before going to bed. Main reason, it raises your body temperature, and as a result of that rise in body temperature, a lot of times it's harder for individuals to go to sleep. So, hope that helps. Bottom line is I want you to get plenty of great sleep, and remember, set your clocks back before you go to bed Saturday.